The JEXUK 1500Nm impact wrench boasts an impressive torque of 1,500 Nm, making it a powerful tool for heavy-duty tasks. Equipped with two 4.0 ampere-hour high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, this impact wrench ensures extended runtime and durability. The inclusion of LED bright beads provides enhanced visibility in dark working areas, allowing for precise operation. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this impact wrench features a comfortable grip and vibration suppression for ease of use. The wrench offers versatile functionality with its locking, forward, and reverse modes, catering to various operational needs. The comprehensive electric wrench kit includes multiple sockets and a sturdy suitcase, making it a convenient choice for any task.